getting a job is very difficult, very, very difficult here.
Absolutely.
Many people after 4 years they are jobless here.
I know it's bad. The situation is gonna be very
Yeah, within
bad.
15 days,
Mhm.
I applied and I got from top four in the world.
Wow.
So
It's called
interviews
the
are,
Big Four. The Big Four.
yeah, the big four.
The Big Four.
So interviews are pipeline going on. So it's for experienced people, the job market is good here. But
Yeah.
for freshers and below 5 years experience, it's not gonna cakewalk here. It's very
I know.
difficult for
That's why we work with experienced folks. That's why it's our thing. But how about your? So when you made this decision, okay, that I'm gonna go. I know we had been in discussion for so many times, on this education. Must be a tough decision for you, right? Leaving the family here and then
right.
going
See,
to there.
already
You were a
I'm
good
well
job.
placed in India.
You were having a great job in Bangalore. Is it a
Yes,
tough decision?
I'm well placed in India, good job, earning more than 2.5 lakhs in India. So already well settled in India, but I got in touch with you. You encouraged me to take it forward because I have a family, I have a kid, I have to take care of them as well in India.
I
So we
know.
are living separately now. It's a hot time right now, but the fruit is gonna come in the future.
Yeah, yeah.
Another
Family is
two, three
something
months.
that matters actually. I totally understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, no, that's true. So, how when you're gonna get your family after you have the job in once you're sorry, am I there's some background. So I'm saying that when are you gonna get your family?
Hiring and I go to call immediately in LinkedIn chat. I'm getting they literally HRs are chatting with me.
Hmm.
Your resume stands out. We would like to have an interview with you. So
Wow.
those kind of conversations I'm getting. I'm not really joking, guys. It's really outstanding strategy that Alok has brought here. I'm literally surprised because many experienced people here literally struggling to get a job in Ireland. It's very tough to get a job. But after landing here within a week, I can. But being in India, I didn't get any of the reply, any of the calls or
That was
reply from. I applied for hundreds of jobs through
you
LinkedIn
also
and
got so
other.
busy with your work. Remember to focus on this strategies. Your
Yeah,
office was a
because
plan.
this strategies helped me a lot, and even I didn't realize when I was in India, but I when relocated to Ireland or Europe, then it start glooming up. Then the recruiters, because I changed my location from Bangalore to Dublin,
Wow.
so that that is the important thing, and that
But again,
changes
guys,
it.
don't do it randomly, okay? Because if you do it and they find out that you are not there, it could be backfiring you. Okay.
Yes,
So
because
yeah.
it's not just we cannot change the location, but in
Mhm.
resume we have to give the phone number, local address
Correct.
that needs to be mentioned. Even in LinkedIn, that needs to be mentioned. Local phone number, local address. So they will cross verify you. They will call you to that number only, not Indian number. They will call. They won't contact
They want
through
contact.
WhatsApp. They will contact through the local
So
number.
in your
So
resume, did you use the SWOT analysis and car analysis? Was that
yes,
thing
yes, yes.
that stood
That
out?
makes sense actually. We
Nice.
had a multiple reviews with
Yeah.
Smita and the guy who is in Ireland. I forgot his
Saksham.
name. Ah, Saksham. So we had multiple reviews,
Hmm.
and now the flowers are coming. The fruit is
So go and
coming
meet
up
our
now.
team member Saksham. No, please go and meet up with him over a cup of coffee. He's there only.
Sure, sure,
He might have come to India
definitely.
during the Diwali time, but he must be there now. You can go and check it out with him. Okay.
Okay,
But
because
yeah, we have a couple of members there. We have Darshana, we have her, we have three, four more team members who are recently in Ireland and UK. Wales also, some part of Wales you'll find. So there are a lot of people who are there. So
even I got a call from London as well. From UK, I got a call,
wow,
and they said sponsorship is the big deal. But if you're with 1G visa after your studies, then it's through.
sorted.
Yeah, sorted out.